Now we are going to start with DC machines. So in DC machines we have the DC generator as well as the motor. Now what is the basic principle of this generator and motor? Now if you remember, in a transformer, what happened in a transformer? There was a time varying magnetic field which induced a voltage in the current carrying conductor, okay, which is in the form of a coil. This is the transformer basic principle. Next, if you consider the basic principle of motor, okay, in the motor what is going to happen? There is going to be a current carrying wire, okay, remember the current is already flowing, which is now placed in a magnetic field. Now when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it will experience a force on it, okay. So there will be an induced force, okay. So this is how you get the motor. We will see the construction. How do we get a torque? Because motor is basically a rotating machine, right? So we need torque, not just force. So that we will be getting by using the coil, right, instead of a wire. We will discuss when we are discussing about the actual structure. This is just the basic principle, okay. And next, if you consider the generator, what is this basic principle? Here just the reverse action is happening as compared to the motor. First, the current carrying conductor, it is going to be moving, a moving conductor which is going to be placed in the magnetic field. Then what is going to happen? Current is going to be produced. So induced voltage will give rise to current, right? So you can see that in the motor you have a current carrying wire in a magnetic field which is inducing a force. In the generator we have a moving conductor in a magnetic field which is inducing voltage. So you can see that both of them, they are just reverse of each other. Now what happens in a DC machine? DC machine, we use the DC supply and we get the motor and generator action. Similarly, in AC machines also we can give the AC supply and get the motor and generator. So this depends on the construction of the machine. So the DC construction and AC construction, obviously they are going to be different. And one more important difference that you can see is the transformer is a static device, right? There are no moving parts. While the motor and generator, whether it is an AC motor generator or a DC motor generator, they are going to be rotating machines, okay.